Jai Gurudev students. Today we will continue Geography lesson 9 and the name of the lesson is Climate of India. This lesson we have done half in a previous class, that was on Saturday, and today we will continue the lesson. Just I will give you the brief description. हम आपको ये बताएंगे कि last class में हमने क्या क्या पढ़ाया था. First, the most important thing is that Himalaya protects North India from the cold waves. Most important point, Himalayas protect India, especially the northern side of India, from the cold waves. And then equator divides India into two halves, that is northern India and southern India, and now northern India lies in temperate zone and southern India lies in tropic zone. Then because of the Himalayas and various things, we have tropical monsoon in India. We also studied about the factors influencing the climate of India. We studied about the factors affecting the climate of India. Factors affecting the climate of India, there are 5, and they are latitude, altitude, then distance from the sea, and then direction of winds, direction of prevailing winds, and then last one is ocean currents. They are factors affecting the climate of India. We have studied in previous class. There are 5 factors. That is latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, and then direction of prevailing winds and ocean currents. These are the 5 factors which influence the climate of India. We also studied about the seasons of India. Seasons of India, there are 4 seasons. Winter season, summer season, rainy season and retreating season. 3 months all these seasons are prevailing, and we have studied in detail about them. And today, after studying all this, today we will study about the distribution of rainfall. Today, in today's class, we will study about the distribution of rainfall. First one is heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall distribution of rainfall. Heavy rainfall, we find this heavy rainfall in most of the eastern side places, that is Assam, West Bengal, Meghalaya, etc. So we can see heavy rainfall in Assam, West Bengal and Meghalaya. There may be more places, but I am mentioning only 2 or 3. Then moderate rainfall. Moderate means not very heavy, not very less, or not very scanty. Moderate temperature or moderate rainfall we can see in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and some places of Punjab. Then we will study about the scanty rainfall. Scanty rainfall means very less rainfall. Scanty rainfall we can see, as we all know, Rajasthan is the most important place where there's a scanty rainfall. Apart from that, some parts of Punjab, some parts of Andhra Pradesh, etc. Not full Punjab, some parts, because even we have a moderate rainfall also we have Punjab. So in every state, not necessary that that particular state will have only scanty or moderate. They may be changing. Then we will study about the desert and semi-desert areas. We will study about the desert and semi-desert areas. Regions or areas. We will study about the desert and semi-desert regions. Then last we will study about the main features of rainfall in India. Last we will study about the rainfall, main features of rainfall. Main features of rainfall in India. I'll just give you 1 or 2 points of main features as we studied in our lesson previously. Rainfall, it is not same every year. Rainfall, it is not same in every year and same place. Like example, this year there may be scanty rainfall, कम rainfall हो सकता है in one particular state. Next year not necessary कि वही place में scanty rainfall ही हो. It may be moderate, it may be heavy rainfall also. Floods may take place. Sometimes drought में सूखा भी हो सकता है. So rainfall is unevenly distributed. Unevenly means जहाँ पर equally distribution नहीं होता है. It depends upon year to year and place to place. So students, in this way today we will study about the distribution of rainfall, desert and semi-desert regions and the main features of the rainfall. We will study from the book these topics.